Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. We have compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. S- So we have these 5 jobs at home. First of all, we have Primos, we have Perfections, Survive Time, and Metro Opinion, and finally we have Appen. So for the first one, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Primos.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have your Primos. You can select the language you want. You have blog, help center, contact support, and join the community. Then we have here our money make an impact. Share your knowledge and insight to help business and communities make better decisions. Then we have here how it works. First of all, you have to create an account, download our app on iOS or Android for free, and create an account using your email address to join the Promise contributor community. Then we have explore our tasks. Browse our task marketplace and select those activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally we have get paid. Choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is for how it works on promos, as you can see. So all you have to do is get started and earn money on promos. So the second one we have for Biction, we have here various information like phone number if you want to ask something. We have here our servers, our methods, we have customers, resources, and about us, and log in to find your account. Then we have here your UH research in a few days, qualitative or quantitative study with support according to your needs. First of all, we write, then we recite, then we conduct the study, then we recommend. Here we have USA and performance, and finally we have China. So user experience, benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, UX design, download our latest white papers. So you can just click over here and access the white papers. Then here we have our happy customers. We have here Samsung, Coca-Cola, L'Oreal, Orange, Airbus, and other. Then here we have our full demo in video. All you have to do is watch this video and then you go directly to the platform overview and user feedback and analysis, then UX recommendation. If you want to contact, all you have to do, as I said before, you can just call in this number. Then we have here our UX research and testing methodologies. So as you can see, first of all we have individual interview, then focus group, quantitative survey, then remote user test. So using remote testing via our user research platform, you can listen to users anywhere in the world. We have also our technology and expertise for your UX projects. Then we have here all about UX research with our blog. So all you have to do is start earn money with Perplexity. Then the third one is Survey Time. We have here the home page. As you can see, all I have to do is open your browser and dive into surveytime.io. We have here survey time. You get instantly rewarded for every survey you complete. First of all, if you want to sign up, all you have to do, you can use Google, or so you can use Facebook, and you can use also email. So you can just write your email and password and start now. Also, you have to click over here if you are agreed to the terms of services. Then here we have how does survey time work. If you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you are reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. First of all, you have to sign up for survey time for free. Then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Then start earning cash for surveys For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So here we have also some benefits of survey time. First, low withdrawal threshold, then surveys for you, then never miss a new survey, then bonus rebate amount, and we have also choose your reward, and finally we have survey time is global. So survey time, where you take free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. Then we have the fourth one. We have mutual opinion. As you can see, all you have to do is dive into mutualopinion.com, and this is the homepage. First of all, you have to choose the country. So if you earn money online, work from home, get up to $5 for each survey, safe and easy payment. So how to earn with paid surveys in three easy steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then answer, then get paid. And here we have other information. You can just choose the option you want about payment. First, we have people, Fochi, and donations also. And here we have some questions like how much can you earn by working, answer surveys. You can just read the answer and know more about this mutual opinion. Then if you want to sign up and start earning, it only takes 30 seconds. So all you have to do is click over sign up here and start. Here we have the country. We have Europe, also Oceania, and Africa, also Asia, and we have America also. We have North and South America. So that's it for the fourth one. The last one we have here, Appen. All you have to do is dive into appen.com. We have here various information about it. First of all, here we have make data differential, and Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. So it uses AI, and here we have powered AI innovation for more than 25 years. We have LinkedIn and Bloomberg, we have Airbus and others. Here we have Appen supports the AI lifecycle. So first of all, your model, then data sourcing, then data preparation, model development, and finally model evaluation. As you can see, create the right data, prepare usable training data, then develop and deploy your models and evaluate model performance finally. So why we choose Appen? So first of all, we have expertise, scale, quality, flexibility, and innovation. And we have here first information about Appen also, so you can just read it and know more about this. So this job not only offers flexibility and independence but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first steps toward a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.